name is Miley and this is Crafty Miley. First of all, I would like to say thank you to all the new subscribers that have come to my channel. Thank you very much, you guys. I'm like just so stoked. I've been on this channel for 5 years and I've just been doing my things just for fun, not for anything big or anything. Just gaining that many subscribers is just so exciting, even though to other people it's probably like not that many, but to me it was a lot. So I would like to thank you guys so much. Today we are going to put pockets into your pajama pants because my last video, or my video, it was like early on sewing, like my beginning sewing skills and everything, and I don't think it was the best. Plus I did the pajama pants from scratch and then we just added the pocket and stuff. But this time we're gonna add pocket to existing pajama pants and I'm gonna show you guys how. So let's go. So you'll take a pants that you want to add pocket to and just measure 1 inch from the top, not from the way top, but from the elastic. You measure 1 inch from that and then mark your spot, and then from that spot you will mark 5 inches. So like if your ruler was right at where the elastic is and you put your measurement at the 1 inch, then you will bring your next mark to 6 inches. So in between the marks will be 5 inches right there. So I would just do the same for the other side. And just make sure your ruler is right at your elastic. You guys see how I did there? Just right under there, and then mark your 1 inch because you don't want to put it right at the elastic because it will not stay really good. And then I just bring it down and then mark it. And you could use your hand and to make sure that your hand will easily go in your pocket. That would make it a lot easier for you. And then now we are just gonna seam rip this open. So just make sure that it looks nice. Just do it nice and slow. Do not cut it or anything. Just seam rip the thread off. Yeah, so you're just gonna take off all this thread from where you mark. So from point A to point B, and then we will have our opening and we will measure the pocket. So to measure the pocket, I actually have this material left from making sweaters. So I just take this and fold it in half. So I have 2 sides to the pocket, and I just use my hand to do the measurement with the curve. But I would do 5 inches first, because remember we did that line, the line for the pocket on the pants, 5 inches. So what I would do is measure 5 inches and then put my hand on that and then do the curve. That way you will know exactly like how you want your pocket, because you want your pocket to fit your hand. So you could curve it, you could make it half circle, you could do however you want. I just decided to do this rounded here. I just like my pocket this way better. Or you can make it square, but just make sure that your straight seam is going to be the same amount as when you open up your pocket, that seam open, the open side of your pants. Then we will just cut this out. And there we go. We have 4 pieces. So now we shall take our pants and flip it inside out because we want to make sure right sides are together. Then what I'm going to do now is take my pocket, one side of my pocket, and then I just put the right side on the right side. Or you could do whatever because it's on the inside. So yeah, I'm just looking at my pattern and making sure I put it right. So yeah, and then you just put it right there and you just pin it and sew it straight stitch. Well, I do a zigzag first right on the edge, and then I do a straight stitch, and you make sure that you do it as close to the end as possible because you don't want to make your pants smaller than when you first started. So I would just pin this and sew it on both sides. So I will do it on both sides, as you guys can see, on the front and on the back. Now we flip it wrong side. So now we put the pockets out on the wrong side and we put both of the pockets together and we're just gonna sew around it. You don't want to sew where you already sewn the pocket onto the pants because that will close up the pocket. So leave that space right there open and you just sew around it. So make sure you sew from up there, the 1 inch that we left, sew from up there and then go around the pocket and then come back down because you want to make sure that it stays and your pocket doesn't come apart while you're using it and stuff. So then we will do the same on the other side also. And now we are done. As you guys can see, this is all wrong side of the pants, like the side where the tag is, you see? And then now we just flip the pocket. Well, we don't flip the pocket, we flip the pants around. And there you go. We got an invincible pocket for your pajama pants or any pants. You can add this to any pants you want. But I just added to my pajama pants because I love sticking my hand in a pocket when wearing pajamas. I don't know, because pajamas are so warm that your hands are cold and you just want to keep them warm too while you're wearing it. So there we go, guys. Like that, and I hope you guys find it understandable. If you guys don't understand anything, just leave your comments down below and I'll try to answer as much as I can. But I made it a lot simpler this time, make it look simpler and just get right to the detail and everything. So I hope you guys did enjoy that, and if you guys did, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. So thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget to measure, cut, and sew. Bye guys.